Question 1. Personal loans can be canvassed among. Option A. Salaried person. Option B. Pensioners. Option C. Foreign nationals. Option D. NRI customers. Answer A. Salaried person. Question 2. Data mining means analyzing the data stored with. Option A. The DSA. Option B. The front office staff. Option C. The back office staff. Option D. The customers. Answer C. The back office staff. Question 3. E-marketing is the same as I. Real-time marketing. 2. Virtual marketing. 3. Digital marketing. Option A. Only I, and 2. Option B. Only I, and 3. Option C. Only 2, and 3. Option D. I, 2, and 3. Answer D. I, 2, and 3. Question 4. Which of the following were not created to provide long-term funds for industry or agriculture? I. Mutual funds. 2. FIS. 3. NBFCs. Option A. Only I, and 2. Option B. Only I, and 3. Option C. Only 2, and 3. Option D. I, 2, and 3. Answer B. Only I, and 3. Question 5. Banks cannot grant loans to any of its directors against which of the following securities? Option A. Government securities. Option B. Life insurance policies. Option C. Bank's own deposit. Option D. Shares. Answer D. Shares. Question 6. Credit exposure ceiling for borrowers is linked to. Option A. Paid up capital of bank. Option B. Net worth of bank. Option C. Capital fund of the bank. Option D. None of these. Answer C. Capital fund of the bank. Question 7. Banks have to limit their commitment by way of unsecured guarantees in such a manner that % of the bank's outstanding unsecured guarantees plus the total of outstanding unsecured advances do not exceed % of total outstanding advances. Option A. 10%, 15%. Option B. 15%, 20%. Option C. 15%, 40%. Option D. None of these, as there is no such stipulation. Answer D. None of these, as there is no such stipulation. Question 8. Banks cannot grant advance against their own shares as per provisions of. Option A. Section 20, 1, of RBI Act. Option B. Section 19, 2, of Banking Regulation Act. Option C. RBI Guidelines. Option D. Section 20, 1, of Banking Regulation Act. Answer D. Section 20, 1, of Banking Regulation Act. Question 9. Which of the following is not sensitive commodity for purpose of selective credit control? Option A. Food grains, i.e. cereals and pulses. Option B. Major oilseeds and oils thereof. Option C. Raw cotton and kappas. Option D. Tea and coffee. Answer D. Tea and coffee. Question 10. As per RBI, for borrowers availing working capital credit facilities of 10 rupees crore and above from the banking system, the loan component should normally be % and cash credit component should be %. Option A. 80%, 20%. Option B. 20%, 80%. Option C 75%, 25%. Option D 60%, 40%. Answer A 80%, 20%. Question 11. As per Section 20A of the Banking Regulation Act, 1949, whose permission is required for remitting in whole or in part any debt due to a bank by any of the directors, or any firm or company in which any of its directors is interested as director, partner, managing agent, or guarantor, or any individual, if any of its directors is his partner or guarantor. Option A. Reserve Bank. Option B. Board of Directors of the bank. Option C. SEBI. Option D. None of these, as loan given to a director cannot be remitted at all. Answer A. Reserve Bank. Question 12. CRM, Customer Relationship Management, is I. A tool for lead generation, 2. An ongoing daily activity, 3. The task of a DSA. Option A. Only, I, and, 2. Option B. Only, I, and, 3. Option C. Only, 2, and, 3. Option D. I, 2, and, 3. Answer D. I, 2, and, 3. Question 13. Factors influencing the promotion mix is /R. Option A. Type of product / market. Option B. Buyer's readiness stage. Option C. Product life cycle stage. Option D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 14. Under PML Act, banks has to maintain record of foreign currency transactions even below 10 rupees lakhs if the aggregate of such transactions is Rs. During days/weeks/months. Option A. 10 rupees lakhs, 1 day. Option B. 10 rupees lakhs, 1 month. Option C. Above 10 rupees lakhs, 1 day. Option D. Above 10 rupees lakhs, 1 month. Answer D. Above 10 rupees lakhs, 1 month. Question 15. A partnership firm has 3 partners and a minor, aged 17, admitted to the firm for benefits. Who among the following will sign the account opening form for opening a current account in this case? Option A. All the 3 and the father of the minor. Option B. All the 3 and natural guardian of the minor. Option C. All the 3 and the minor himself. Option D. All the 3 partners only. Answer D. All the 3 partners only. Question 16. The benefits of test marketing is /R. Option A. More reliable forecast of future sales. Option B. An opportunity to decide about launching or dropping the product. Option C. Determining the better promotional strategies. Option D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 17. Which of the following is not the growth strategies? Option A. Intensive growth. Option B. Innovative growth. Option C. Integrative growth. Option D. Diversification growth. Answer D. Diversification growth. Question 18. You received a garnishee order for a current account maintained in your branch. A check is received for payment. What memo should be appended while returning the check? Option A. Garnishee order received. Option B. Refer to drawer. Garnishee order received. Option C. Insufficiency of funds due to garnishee order. Option D. None of the above. Answer A. Garnishee order received. Question 19. Max fine for offences under PML Act can be. Option A. 2 rupees lakhs. Option B. 3 rupees lakhs. Option C 5 rupees lakhs. Option D 10 rupees lakhs. Answer C 5 rupees lakhs. Question 20. Mr. Kumar as director of a Ltd company expired. Bank received a check signed by Mr. Kumar as director of the Ltd company. The bank. Option A can honor the check only after obtaining confirmation from other directors. Option B can honor the check. Option C cannot honor the check. Option D the company should issue a stop payment instructions to the bank. Answer B can honor the check. Question 21. Account payee crossing is an order of the drawer. Option A to all endorses. Option B to payee. Option C to drawee banker. Option D to collecting banker. Answer A to all endorses. Question 22. A distribution channel has several points. Option A exchange. Option B distribution. Option C selling. Option D buying. Answer A exchange. Question 23. Marketing situation can't be. Option A few sellers and many buyers. Option B many sellers and many buyers. Option C one seller and many buyers. Option D none of the above. Answer D none of the above. Question 24. Service marketing is the same as. Option A internet marketing. Option B telemarketing. Option C internal marketing. Option D relationship marketing. Answer D relationship marketing. Question 25. Value-added services does not mean I. Additional services, 2. Costlier products, 3. Large number of products. Option A only, I, and, 2. Option B only, I, and, 3. Option C only, 2, and, 3. Option D, I, 2, and, 3. Answer C only, 2, and, 3. Question 26. Innovation in marketing is same as. Option A motivation. Option B perspiration. Option C aspiration. Option D creativity. Answer D creativity. Question 27. In respect of regional rural banks, the shareholding pattern is. Option A central government 50%, state government 35%, sponsoring bank 15%. Option B central government 50%, state government 15%, sponsoring bank 35%. Option C central government 15%, state government 35%, sponsoring bank 50%. Option D central government 35%, state government 50%, sponsoring bank 15%. Answer B central government 50%, state government 15%, sponsoring bank 35%. Question 28. A bank in India wants to undertake capital market activities. It should. Recommendation for drawing a prospective plan of computerization for the period 1990 to 94. Option A obtain special license from AMFI. Option B obtain special license from FIMDA. Option C both A and B. Option D register with SEBI. Answer D register with SEBI. Question 29. You receive a check in an overdraft account for 35,000 rupees. The debit balance in the account is 70,000 rupees and the OD limit is Rs.1,00,000. What reason you will state while returning? Option A. Refer to drawer. Option B. Effects not cleared. Option C. Exceeds arrangement. Option D. Endorsement not correct. Answer C. Exceeds arrangement. Question 30. When a check is drawn on a bank, the bank is called as the. Option A. Payee. Option B. Drawee. Option C. Drawer. Option D. Endorsee. Answer B. Drawee. Question 31. Your bank receives a check in inward clearing which has not been signed by the account holder. Which one of the following reasons you will select to return the check? Option A. Check is not signed by the payee. Option B. Refer to the drawer. Option C. Check is not signed by the drawee. Option D. Check is not signed by the endorsee. Answer B. Refer to the drawer. Question 32. An order check is endorsed as without recourse to me by the endorser. This endorsement is known as. Option A. Blank endorsement. Option B. Restrictive endorsement. Option C. Endorsement in full. Option D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question 33. A stop payment instruction of a check can be issued by. Option A. The payee. Option B. The endorsee. Option C. The drawer. Option D. The drawee. Answer C. The drawer. Question 34. During which one of the following periods did Reserve Bank of India play a more aggressive promotional role for rural India? Option A. 1982 to 1987. Option B. 1969 to 1982. Option C. 1960 to 1968. Option D. 1951 to 1959. Answer B. 1969 to 1982. Question 35. Law of limitation is not applicable in respect of. Option A. Advance against pledge of shares. Option B. CC granted against hypothecation of inventory. Option C. Term loan secured by mortgage of plant and machinery. Option D. Bank term deposit. Answer D. Bank term deposit. Question 36. FIMDA stands for. Option A. Foreign Exchange Money Markets and Derivatives Association of India. Option B. Fixed Income Money Markets and Derivatives Association of India. Option C. Foreign Income Money Markets and Derivatives Association of India. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. Fixed Income Money Markets and Derivatives Association of India. Question 37. Who was the chairman of the committee which recommended the setting up of the National Cooperative Bank of India? Option A. M. Khusro. Option B. V. Kurian. Option C. B. Shivaraman. Option D. None of these. Answer C. B. Shivaraman. Question 38. A bond is normally. Option A. Secured. Option B. Unsecured. Option C. Either A or B. Option D. None of these. Answer B. Unsecured. Question 39. SME means. I. Small and medium enterprises. 2. Small and medium establishments. Option A. Only. I. Option B. Only. 2. Option C. Either I or 2. Option D. Both I and 2. Answer A. Only I. Question 40. Aggressive marketing is necessitated due to. I. globalization, 2, increased competition. Option A only, I. Option B only, 2. Option C either, I, or, 2. Option D both, I, and, 2. Answer B only, 2. Question 41, efficient marketing styles require. Option A proper planning. Option B good communication skills. Option C teamwork. Option D knowledge of products. Answer D knowledge of products. Question 42, market-driven strategy includes. Option A identifying problems. Option B planning marketing tactics of peers. Option C positioning the organization and its brands in the marketplace. Option D internal marketing. Answer C positioning the organization and its brands in the marketplace. Question 43, a call means. Option A after sales service. Option B profession or business. Option C visiting friends. Option D visiting prospective customers. Answer D visiting prospective customers. Question 44, conversion means. Option A meeting a prospective client. Option B interacting with a prospective client. Option C converting an employer into an employee. Option D converting a prospective client into customer. Answer D converting a prospective client into customer. Question 45, customization is useful for. Option A designing customer specific product. Option B call centers. Option C publicity. Option D motivating the staff. Answer A designing customer specific product. Question 46, the performance of a salesperson mostly depends on. Option A salary paid. Option B sales incentive paid. Option C sizes of the sales team. Option D ability and willingness of the salesperson. Answer D ability and willingness of the salesperson. Question 47, the sole aim of marketing is to. I. Increase sales, 2. Increase profits. Option A only, I. Option B only, 2. Option C either, I, or, 2. Option D both, I, and, 2. Answer A only, I. Question 48, commercial banks are permitted to borrow to the extent of % of their capital funds in the call/notice money market. Option A 100. Option B 125. Option C 150. Option D 175. Answer B 125. Question 49, the banking ombudsman may ask the concerned bank to submit. Option A information on the complaint. Option B evidences and documents in support of the reply to the complaint. Option C other related document. Option D all the above. Answer D all the above. Question 50, interest rate futures were launched in India in. Option A NSE. Option B BSE. Option C both A and B. Option D none of the above. Answer A NSE. Question 51, normally the amount of auction for 364-day T-bill is. Crores. Option A 4,000. Option B 5,000. Option C 6,000. Option D 7,000. Answer C 6,000.